So, not taking much of your time, I'll hand over to Bhumika. She'll go through, will walk you through about the OG rulebook from that you can have for from turning yourself from zero to hero. So, yeah, over to you, Bhumika. This will work as normal, like if you click on that. And that's the
Sorry, guys. Actually, I was just calling my parents to let them know I'm live. Okay, so I have got 5 minutes actually. So there is something that I want to say to you guys before I start. Just be kind to me. This is my first ever talk, and I am really scared about it. But I've actually prepared content that I think most of you will be able to relate to it. And I'm just trying to sync my beliefs with your beliefs. Okay, so it's okay, like, it's okay for, what do we say? It's okay to agree to disagree, right? So I've got 5 minutes and I'm actually gonna adhere to the time. I will not take a lot of time. So, and before I start my PPT, I wanna say that I'm speaking this with HAIL, HAIL. And what do I mean by that? It just means I'm gonna be honest here. It is gonna be a straight and a clear PPT. Second, I'm actually gonna be authentic. Some might say, Gyan baat rahi hai, and some might say, oh wow, what kind of life she is living, but this is me. Then I'm actually gonna hold to the integrity that I do follow these. I'm not speaking from just for the sake of giving a talk. And the last one is love for everybody sitting over here. Not romantic love, guys, but the care as a person to person. Okay. So let's come to my kind of aesthetic, I think. Wow, this is much cuter. I hope so. So, who is this OG I'm talking about? That's me, guys. Can I have an applaud? Thank you. That just gave me a rush, but yeah. So, it's about the Bhumika Arora's rule book from being a zero to a hero. So, what is this zero? Anybody have any hints? Who is a zero according to you? Just sit on your seats and you can shout if you have a loud voice. A failure, okay. Anybody else? You can.
Somebody who hasn't really started yet, just waiting for things to.
Okay, hasn't started yet. What else?
That's make 1 to 10.
Okay, that's a nice perspective about it. What about hero? Okay, let's first see what is my perception of zero. Okay, let's see if I get it.
Click on next.
No, this is not. This sad, दुखी guy, मैं जानती भी नहीं हूँ, तो नहीं, ये भी नहीं है. And नोबिता के zero भी वो zero नहीं है जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, let's talk about hero. Who according to you is a hero? Who have achieved, okay. Someone who is successful. Successful? Who believes in themselves? What else? One who has not given up. Impress others.
Who can influence others?
Influence others, okay. So I just added some examples of heroes who are not. I think Batman डालना चाहिए था, आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडी चल रहा है. या शक्तिमान डाल देती for the older group. Then I am also not talking about this जनाब जो बहुत हीरो बन के बैठे हुए हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, अच्छा पैसा कमा रहे हैं, but this is also not the hero I'm talking about. And ना ही फटा पोस्टर निकला hero. This is also not the hero I'm talking about. So what am I talking about? Can anybody tell me which one of them is a zero and which one is a hero? Anybody? Any difference? Spot the difference, guys. Yeah, good. Okay, he's. Although I copied and pasted, but वो फिर भी small है, okay. Huh? You cannot. That's right. That was the aim. Okay. So I'm actually going to talk about things that helped me as a person to be here. And this is very things that you see on Instagram. I think a couple of people before me actually talked about some of my points. But the thing is, we do not follow them. And I will give you anecdotes, small anecdotes that will show you that life can actually be better when we actually do follow these things. So the first thing is, I'm like trying to first be grateful. Okay, what are you grateful for, if I can have just quick words? been there. This community. Huh? Education, access, true. Anything else you are thankful for? That's, huh? Fictional authors. I am also thankful for them. Alive? Yeah. But this is very sad, extremely sad to be honest, that you people cannot find things to be thankful about. To be honest, if you ask me what I am thankful about, the first thing I will say is my hands. I'm able to walk, guys. I'm able to hold my mic. I'm able to walk. I'm thankful for my legs. And you think that's very simple. I guess life covers it all. But we never show gratefulness for this. And we never thought that we should be. But last year, I broke my arm just before an internship. Microsoft at that, and I was so heartbroken that how will I able to do anything because that's my dominant hand. And to realize, my doctor said एक ही तो आर्म प्लास्टर है, although उन्होंने 30 bones मेरी प्लास्टर की थी. But the fact is, you realize you are not grateful for the simplest thing in life. Everyone is crying over he has this, she has this, but we are never thankful for what we do have. My life works on two principles: what I have to be grateful about it, and what I want. Some people say what I don't want. There is not second thing. जो चीज़ मुझे चाहिए नहीं मैं उसके लिए क्यों रहूँगी? And जो चीज़ मुझे चाहिए I'm gonna actually work hard upon it so that I will be grateful for it in the future. So first things, be thankful about the smallest things that you do have in your life. Don't be rigid. Don't follow this कि schedule बनाना है life का. But I am actually very rigid. Can anyone think of what thing I'm rigid about? Anybody? One. Huh? Eating food. Yeah, I am very rigid. Huh?
I think your do's and don'ts that you're talking about. Maybe you're rigid about that.
Yeah, I'm rigid about that. Okay, but I will tell you what I'm rigid about. I'm rigid about being flexible in this life. Nobody tells me what career path I have to follow. I do not go like, अच्छा ये वो कर रहा है तो मैं भी वही करूँगी, वो कर रहा है तो वही करूँगी, उसमें पैसा है, उसमें यह नहीं. If I want to go dance today, I'm gonna dance, I'm gonna practice. If I want to study a lot for my exam tomorrow, I'm gonna do that. If I think that I want to be prime minister, I will actually do hard work upon that. But the thing is, it's about being flexible, that I have got one life. I cannot follow a timeline. There is no map, certain map to show how successful you are. As someone said, ki being successful is being a hero. No, it's not. Being flexible. I live my life and I think being flexible about that. I do not say कि मुझे वही बनना है and I'm going to follow that. No, life is about something to be enjoyed. And every moment, you earn a job, be so happy about it. Yeah, I got this, now I'm going to get a promotion. But what people do is, they're crying about, I don't want a, I want a job, I want a job, I want a job. All the juniors here, referral de do. And second, the seniors who get that, sometimes they are like, yaar, kya tiring job hai, kyun kar raha hoon main ye 9 se 5 ki naukri. They do this. So people in our lives are so rigid with what they want. They're like, ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है. 25 में क्या कहते हैं? 25 तक मुझे शादी करनी है, 27 में पहला बच्चा, 28 में पहला घर, 29 में दूसरा बच्चा, 40 में जाके रिटायरमेंट. I think आजकल सबके वो plans चल रहे हैं. But do not be flexible. Please be flexible with it. Shark Tank देखो guys, इतने oldies आ रहे हैं और इतने youngsters आ रहे हैं. So that shows life is something to be explored about and be flexible about it.
पेप्सी भी चाहिए भाई.
Be consistent. Okay. यहाँ पे DSA वाले हैं कुछ.
10 बार आ जाता है मेरे पास.
लीड कोड की स्ट्रीक्स हम में से मैंने भी बनाई थी यार 4-5 महीनों की. आधे बार मैंने भी कॉपी किया था कभी कभी जब टाइम नहीं होता था. और कभी कभी ब्लैक स्ट्रीक्स भी बेचते हैं स्नैपचैट पे जब लाइफ में कुछ नहीं चल रहा होता. बट वाई नॉट समथिंग दैट वी एक्चुअली वांट टू अचीव? वाई डोंट वी बी कंसिस्टेंट अबाउट इट? एक क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है इंटरव्यूज में, इफ़ यू नो what are you going to plan to do 5 years later? Why those 5 years are given to you? Why don't they ask what are you planning to do next month? There is a simple logic that I realized in it, and that is they give you ample amount of time to have a cumulative sum of ups and downs and different scenarios you are going to go through in those 5 years. And I think that is going to be the best judgment of character there is. So being consistency is not about just being a second, like I have done it for 1 week, 2 weeks, I don't see change. But it's about a continuous process of being there and working upon your dreams and your wants. Okay, that is the graph. You don't see it on 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but 5 years you're definitely going to see a change. Don't be narrow-minded. I have a beautiful picture along with it. Your brain is a very vast space of thoughts and imaginations. Please do follow them. Give them a chance to breathe. Do not, people say, think out of the box. But if you realize there is no box, guys, what is box? Box is a pattern that we all set here. People before us who were successful said, this works for them. But every one of us thought, oh, this should work for everyone. Then that's the box. But there is no box as such. It's as simple as that. You have to just let your thoughts free. If that wasn't the truth, then Jeff Bezos wouldn't have made the richest man in the world when he thought, I have a garage, I have internet, and I will sell books. It would not have been possible if a man not able to find taxi thought, जितनी खाली गाड़ियाँ पड़ी उन्हें काम पे लगाता हूँ. He did not say कि I want more taxis. What he said, people who are driving, if they can get money from it, let's put them to work and they can carpool. That was the original idea behind Uber. And that is what I mean. Don't be narrow-minded. Do not follow the set path. Let your thoughts be open. Think about the pros, cons, and then decide what you want to do with them. Then just two more things. It's your choice. You have two things on your shoulder. And वैसे मैं जेरी डालने वाली थी. If you see जेरी के shoulders पे हमेशा, मतलब sorry, टॉम के shoulder पे हमेशा जेरी आता है. So it's about you have a choice to think, अरे उसने ये कर लिया, मैं loser हूँ, I failed, मैं start नहीं कर पा रहा, वो तो इतना कमा रहा है, वो मेरी age का है. But he has not lived the same life as you. Then there is second one, who teaches you to be grateful, who asks you to do better, because you have got an opportunity tomorrow. And that's the beauty of life. And let your ideas flow. Always have a growth mindset so that you think what your life is going to be. And you decide that. Guys, remember. Okay. So they are back again. Who is the zero? Who is the hero? Okay, I categorize him zero and that hero. But it's just that there is a difference of mindset that they both have. They both have achieved the same things, but one is crying, I want to do that, I want to do that. And he's like, oh, I have achieved this, and see, if I do continuously work upon it, I can do better. So it is all about the perspective that they shared. Guys, remember, it's a choice. It's not a hard choice. But, it's a regular choice. You make it daily at all points of time. You can choose to cry about it or celebrate what you have and work upon the future. So when you get this choice, please choose to be a hero. And please do connect with me if you liked my points and want to have a discussion about it. I got this much time, I took extra. I'm sorry. Do connect with me. And there is just a second. There was Shivangi Di before me, and she told a lot about me being an influencer. So you can follow me. Thank you so much, guys. That's been my time.
I mean, come on, guys. इतने छोटे से round of applause. Give a huge round of applause, sir. Now you feel like inspired, good enough? You feel like कि नहीं यार, हम zero तो नहीं है. Even zero is important, right?